welcome back to my vlog. Today's vlog is all about my eggless cardamom cake. It's a very simple recipe and it has a lot of flavor of cardamom, and you can use it also as a milk cake. It tastes exactly like a gulab jamun cake. You can also use this cake for icing a birthday cake or for any other occasion. So let's see how we go about it. So to start with the recipe, we first take a blender and we add in 3 to 4 cardamom pods in it along with sugar, and then grind it into fine powder. So I have ground the powder, and you can sieve this mixture in case any of these cardamom pods are remaining which is not ground properly, and then use it as it is. This powder mixture we'll add in oil, or you can add butter, or even you can add ghee. The complete description of the amount of the ingredients I'll be putting it in the description box, so do have a look at it. And then beat both the ingredients well to make into a creamy consistency. Now to this mixture add milk and then again whisk it and mix everything together. Now take a sieve and then we'll sieve out all the dry ingredients. I have taken all-purpose flour, milk powder, and baking powder and baking soda, and sieve them well into the wet mixture. Now mix the wet and the dry ingredients properly. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Here I am using a spatula, but then I'll be also using the whisk to completely eliminate out any lumps from the batter. Now the batter is ready and nice and smooth without any lumps. We go to the next step. Pour the batter into a well-greased pan, a loaf pan or a cake tin, whatever is available with you. The cake is baked well and you can see how soft it is. So I just let it rest for 5 minutes before demolding it, and then I remove the cake out of the tin because the base of the cake will become soggy in case we keep it continuously in the tin. So I have removed the cake out of the tin, and I'll remove the parchment paper and allow it to cool down completely before I slice it. The cake has cooled down completely, and as I slice into the cake, you can see how soft the cake is, and the cake has a very good flavor and aroma of cardamom. You can use this recipe by doubling the ingredients if you want to make a larger quantity of the cake. And please do let me know in the comments below how did you like it. Take care. Bye bye.